Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io file import failed issues in 2026. So if you're unable to import a diagram, getting file errors, or the import process keeps failing, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check that the file format is supported by Draw.io. Unsupported or corrupted files can prevent the import process from completing successfully. Next, verify that the file was downloaded completely. Incomplete downloads often cause import errors and loading problems. Now try opening the file again after refreshing Draw.io. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the import process. Next, check the file size. Very large files may take longer to process and can occasionally fail during import. Now clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using the web version. Corrupted browser data can interfere with file uploads. Next, try importing the file using a different browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related issues. Now make sure you have enough available storage space if the file is being imported from cloud storage. Next, disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can block uploads or interfere with file handling. Now update Draw.io and your browser to the latest version to ensure maximum compatibility. Finally, if the problem continues, export a fresh copy of the original file if possible and attempt the import again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io file import failed issues. Now your diagrams should import properly without any errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.